You are welcome back to my channel. This is Olasco Trendy Stitches. Happy New Year to you all. I wish you the very best of it as you journey through. Today, I will be showing you guys how you can use one wheel stand you use for this kind of sewing machine for your overlocker machine as well. That is, you interchangeably use the same wheel stand you use for this machine for your overlocker machine. So the way to do that is quite simple, and I will do my best to giving you the details of the explanations. So don't forget to smash the like button and the subscribe button, and also drop your positive comment, because it will go a long way in helping us to make this kind of video clips. So let me quickly get down to do that. So the very first thing I'll be doing now is to place my slab. You need to get this kind of slab in order to let your overlocker temporarily sit on it. Then when you are done locking your clothes or weaving your clothes, whichever one you are familiar with, so you you can put off the slab and replace it with your sewing machine actually. So I will try and adjust the camera now. So this is it. You can see how I place it on the slab. There is really nothing to bother about. All you need to do is make sure it's sitting comfortably on the slab. Like, you don't have to let it be sitting too much on one side than the other. Let it relax well. So this is how to do it. So after that, you take your stand, the thread stand. This is it. I have the three bolts inside. So this one is going to be standing here permanently. So it means you have to let it relax firmly on the wheel stand. So you screw it down from there. Make sure you set it well. Screw it down there. It's going to be there permanently. We are having it sitting very strong. Can you see that? Sitting very strong. So we'll now take our thread seat. See it here? This one, I already tightened this. I already tightened it. Put it on it and screw it. Screw it on the upright rod. This one. And this one follows. You screw it as well. So you can change the direction anytime you want. So you can roll it even to 360 degree. You can roll it. And this one goes in right here. You screw it on this one from here. Can you see there is a knot? There is a knot there. So you place it right there and screw it in. Screw it firmly, make it to be strong. Then your thread holders, see there. You can see them. This one goes first. You put it on this. And this one too. These three. These three. You put it on this thing. And you screw it down as well. Can you see it? You screw it down. And that's all. We are good to go. So all we need to do right now is to fix our thread and pass the rope for the wheel to the machine so as to run it. So let me do that for you to see it. So right now you can see I have my rope, the rope I used to roll the wheel. This one is meant for the overlocker, that is for the sewing machine and the weaving machine rather. And this one is for the sewing machine. That's why I'm tying it now, because I'm not using it right now. So when I'm ready to make use of it, I will loosen it and run it through the sewing machine. But for now, this is the one we are using. You need to just place it exactly the way you pass your uh the rope for your sewing machine. That's the same way you do for your overlocker. So you just make sure you are separating them in order to avoid mix up. So that's just it. So right now we'll just pass it on the machine and run it. I will now run the thread through the machine. Let me try and adjust this. So we tie it together. So I already have my rope passed across my um overlocking machine. Then you just put it on the wheel. So that's already done. So you can weave your clothes right now. it is set. Let me try to so that you see it. This is how you will do that. You just start your weaving. See, I'm already weaving. Now you see it. I will try to place it closer to the camera when I'm done. So it is as simple as that. Now you see it. So we are done with the overlocker. So I will just remove this one and return the sewing machine on the wheel stand. So all I need to do is to disconnect the threads and replace this with the sewing machine. So I've already packed the overlocker and I have my thread stand still there. So that's how it's going to be there permanently. It's not going to be disturbing your sewing machine at all. So anytime I want to overlock again, I will make use of it. So I will just place my sewing machine back to the wheel stand, and that's how it is. It is as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel.